second.
Councilmember Kamin.
Thank you. Colleagues, this item is for replacement armadillos. We've heard of the armadillos have been in the headlines quite a lot recently when they were removed off of Heights Boulevard without notice and without public input. One of the reasons I was given was that the armadillos are not, quote unquote, safe for vehicular traffic, and that they are not for example, if one is removed, they create an issue. So they were just going to rip them up altogether. My question and query for the department is, are these now going to be used as the administration changing policy? Or are we just going to be replacing singular ones if one comes up versus removing all of them? What are these going to be put towards if we are removing an entire segment of a protected bike lane that use these armadillos? So I will be tagging this for additional information. Again, I support the use of armadillos or any protective barrier that creates additional safety, but there seems to be conflicting reasoning here, and I'd like to understand it before we're spending money for these to simply go into storage.
I'll join the tag, Plummer.
Item is being tagged by Councilmember Kamin, Councilmember Alcorn, and Councilmember Plummer.
Item 33 is an ordinance.